Welcome to George Mason University Libraries. This brief tutorial will show you how to find companies and create a list based on several criteria. To begin, let's start with the info guide, which is infoguides.gmu.edu/business. infoguides.gmu.edu/business. From there, go to the tab that says Company Research. You'll see a list of recommended databases for your company research, but in this case, we're going to use the Million Dollar Directory by Dun & Bradstreet, and you'll click through to continue. And once you're in this page, Advanced Search, and here you'll see the criteria that you can select. The thing that's unique about this database is that you can choose a location by metro area. So we're going to do the MSA, metro area. And when you scroll down, you'll see a list of choices here. And I'm going to look for Washington, D.C. So here's our tab. And here's Washington, D.C., the metro area, D.C., Maryland, Virginia, and West Virginia. So I'm going to add to criteria, Washington, MSA, add to criteria. And then we can choose some other criteria here. So I'm going to look at company and your options if you want to choose a parent company, or you can decide between public and private. In this case, we're going to look for public, so I'll choose that. But make note of some of the other options here, including women or minority-owned companies. So we'll take public or private. In this case, I want public, so here it is. Click on it. Add to criteria, and I want a little more, so I'm going to look at my company criteria again, and let's see, what do we want? I believe we have a location. I think now what we need is size, so we want less than, I think, okay, so we have sales and employment. We want employment. In this case, I want 1,000. And I think we'll do less than or equal to, add to criteria. So we have our area, we have our public and private, and you can see everything's here. So we have public, and we have under 1,000, and we have our MSA. So I'm going to now run the search, and you'll see the results shortly. So these come up in order of sales revenue. You can switch this around to pretty much whatever you'd like. If you want to see employee count, you're going to get some zeros because not everyone reports this information, but if you want to flip this again and get the most employees, so here you can see ICF has the most with 988. Go through the list, find a company that appeals to you, and then you can use some of the other databases such as Mergent Online to get a more detailed look at your company. I hope that this helps you, and if you need further help, please don't hesitate to contact. Thank you.